Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat fractional quantifiers. My name is Sahil Arora, and in the daily DILR set update, we have a very good set on DI today, right? Also, before I move to the set like always, अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको सारे सेट्स आपके WhatsApp में मिलें, you just have to fill the form link given in the description, right? Please fill this form in the description and you will start receiving this. And with this, also please do join our Facebook and Telegram group. On Facebook group, we post a lot of questions. On Telegram, we tackle the doubts whenever anyone posts. So please join them. Right now, let us see, this is the structure of the PDFs that you get from our site. It has read of the day, RC of the day, everything is included in this, right? And this is the kind of set. Now, what is given to us? In a zoo, there are five types of animals: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, frugivores, and sanivores. It is also known that exactly one-sixth of herbivores, one-third of carnivores, one-fifth of omnivores, one-tenth of frugivores, and one-twelfth of sanivores are in the east wing. Now, I am given some ratios that one-sixth of herbivores are here. Then I am given that one-ninth of herbivores are here. And then I am given that one to half of herbivores are here. Now, I am only given this allocation and nothing else. And then I am given that the total of maximum 2290 animals are there at all the times. Can I say from this that I can only get some tentative idea about the number of herbivores? For example, if there are only these three ratios, I can make out that the total number of herbivores will be of type 18, where 18 is nothing but the LCM of 2, 6, and 9. इसके LCM का कोई multiple होगा total number of herbivores. This is what I can find out or make out. Okay. Now, similarly for other fractions, I am given this data. Now, let me write these fractions and try to get some tentative outcome out of that. Right now, what are herbivores? 1/6, then 1/5, 1/6 है, 1/3 है, 1/15 है, 1/5 है, 10 है, 1/12 है. Similarly, 1/9, 1/15, 1/7, 1/3, half, 1/12, 1/11, 1/5, 1/7, 1/5, 1/10, 3, 1/11, 1/, in center. So center we don't have any data, right? Now, all this can only give me some tentative information. How? That when I talk about herbivores, herbivores are nothing but will be a multiple of LCM of 6, 3, 5, 15, and 12, because they must be an integer. If they are an integer, they must be the LCM of, sorry, 6, 9, 2, and 5. LCM of 6, 9, 2, and 5. So that LCM is 6, 9, 9, 18, and 5, 90. So they must be the LCM of 90. So they are of type 98, right? Similarly, when I talk about these 3, 15, 12, and 10, these must be of the type 60B, right? Because the LCM of 60, right? 5, 7, 35, 385 into 3, 255, 155, 1155. See, 15, 345, 11, 495, 330. 330 is the LCM, right? 12 and 84 into 5, 420. Now, these are the different type of animals that are available, right? So when I add them up, 90A plus 60B plus 1155C plus 330D plus 420E, 420E, right? Now all these A, B, C, D, E, we are given that there is animal from each category, which means A, B, C, D, E are a minimum of one each. So all A, B, C, D, E are greater than equal to 1, right? This is for sure. So even if I take one for each, right? I have to get some number. Let us see what number I can get. 90 plus 60 plus 1155 plus 330 plus 420. What is the minimum number I am getting from this? Right, the minimum number I can get from this would be the total of this. If I add them up, it is 255 2055. Right, the total is 2055. Now we are given that they can accommodate a total of how much? They can accommodate a total of 2290, right, all the times. So they can accommodate a total of 2290. Right, they can accommodate a total of 2290, and they have taken this much, which means what is the value, or what is the bandwidth that I have? The bandwidth or the gap that I have is 235, which means I can play with my coefficients a bit. What do I mean by that, playing with coefficients? कि अभी तो मैंने सबको वन 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 लिया यार, सी को मैंने वन लिया था, डी को वन लिया, ई को वन लिया. I cannot put CS2 because if I put CS2, the total will increase by 1155. I cannot accommodate that change. The maximum change I can accommodate is 235. Similarly, I cannot put DS2, I cannot put ES2, which means that these three are fixed 1155, 330, 420, right? Now one fifth. So let us also try to fill this data. When I say one fifth is 231. 1 by 7 will be 165. 1 by 11 will be 105. 1 by 3 would be 385. So 5, 15, 16, 9, 25, 2, 6. And so these are 269. Similarly, this 110, 330, 33, 110, 66, 30. Right? And this remaining would be 91, 35, 70, 60, 84, 70 and 60, 130, 20, 214, 214 and 230, 71, right? 101. So these are the values that I can be sure of. But when I come to this, see, right now it is 90A. So if I talk about A, if I talk about B, right, and if I talk about the rest of these are total fixed. Rest of these are total fixed. But when I talk about A and B, A can be 6, A can be 2 as well, A can be 3 as well, A can be 4 as well. I.e. the total can be 180, 270, can be 360. No, it cannot be 360. It cannot be 360. Why? Because if I am putting A as 2, it is becoming 180, right? The total is increasing by 90, right? So I can do that. If I'm putting A as 3, the total is increasing by 180. I can also do that. I maximum bandwidth is 235, but I cannot put as 4 and make it 360 because this is the basic thing. Now, when I talk about 60, 60 is possible, 120 is possible, 180 is possible, 64, the 240 is possible, right? So up to 4 times I can make 180. 180 का bandwidth आएगा maximum, right? If I take it any further, if I make it 300, the difference would be 240, which is not possible to accommodate, right? So even if I'm putting it as 180, if I'm putting A as 2, bandwidth 90, I can still put this as 60, right? If A is 2, B is 1 is a possibility, right? As a possible हो सकता है. If I'm putting A as 3, if I'm putting B as 2, 120, then A will only be 1. So I can, if I'm putting B greater than equal to 1, greater than 1, then A will only be 1, right? This is also a fact, right? Because if I'm increasing B by 2, no, not by 1. So if I'm putting 6, if I'm adding 60 over here, I can put 180 over here. No, I cannot put. So I can only put 90, right? So that's the fact. 90, 90, 150. Yes, sorry. If A is 1, if I'm putting B as 2, this will become 120. This will become 180. The increment here is 90. The increment here is 60. This can be accommodated. If I am putting B as 3, this will be 270. The increment is 180. This is not possible. So if B is greater than 1, A is equal to 2 is the maximum value. A less than equal to 2 रहेगा हमारा. Okay. Now let's try and I have some ranges with me. Let's try and play with it and answer the questions. Now if I also see the values without ranges, right? 231, 33, 264 and 35, 299 plus 2 values as my answer. Similarly here, 345 plus these two values are my answer. 231 plus the values, 499 plus the values, 531 plus the values. Okay. Now 16. Now if 90, if A is 1, if I'm taking in the minimum A is 1, so this is 15, this is 10, this is 45, this is 18. 15, 10, 25, and 45, 70 is 88. So this is the center is 2. Now A I discussed can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Right. So basically it can become 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. The value can become 90, 180, and 270. Similarly, it can become 50, 30, 45, 10, 20, 30, 45, 90, 135, 18, 36, 54, 2, 4, 6. So these are the values possible, right, for these. Okay. Now, let's see the question one. Which of the following cannot be the population of East Wing? East Wing is 299 plus herbivores plus carnivores, right? So carnivores are minimum of 24, 5, 6, 24, 29, 35. So the remaining is 25. And B can be 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can make it 60, 120, 180, and 240. Right. So 299 plus H plus C. All the values are in the range of 330s, which means I need a total of around 30s. Around a total of 30s, which means 20 plus 15. If I take the minimum value, 299 plus 15 plus 20, I am reaching 334. So it is one of the possible values, right? It can exist. Now, I can, if I'm increasing H by 2, if I'm increasing, taking the second value, that is 30, I will increase the total by 15, which will make the total 349. So it is also one of the possible values, right? Similarly, if I am increasing this by 20, I am increasing the total by 20. So this also makes 354. 354 this. So this is also possible, which means 350 is definitely not possible, which is the required answer for this, right? A very straightforward question once you have arrived at this data. Second, what is the most populated wings maximum possible population? Most populated wings maximum possible population. So most populated could be either this or this, but it will be this. Why? Because this is 18 and then 246. This is minimum of 25. So definitely this would be higher one, right? That is 531 plus either 246 or plus 25, with this value is 25. And then if I will take 120, it will become 50. If I will take 180, it will become 75 plus 100. So since I want to maximize the value, I would want to take it as 100. If I'm taking it as 100, 531 plus 100, right? I cannot then take it as 4 or 6. I will have to take it as 2 only, right? Because if I'm substituting B as 4, I'm already making a lot of increment over here. 180 ka increment over, right? I cannot accommodate an increment of 90 over here. Okay. So plus 2. So 531 plus 100, 631 plus 2, 633 is the required answer. Okay. Which is the least populated wing? Now, least is 299 also possible, 231 also possible, 345 also possible. Why? Because there are some variables getting added to them. This one, east is 299 plus 15, 30, 45 plus 20, 40, 60, and 80. Right. While west is 345 plus 10, 20, 30 plus 4, 8, 12, and 16. While south is 231 plus 45, 90, 135 plus 5, 10, 15, and 20. These are the possible values for the minimum three that I can observe. Now, if I'm taking this as 299 plus 15 and this as 20, 299 plus 15 plus 20, and for this, I will take then 231 plus 45 plus 5. 50 increment, 25 increment. I might collate my values. Also, if I see the gap here right now is how much is the gap? 114 is the gap, right? Now, if I take the values here from, let's say I am taking 135 value and here's 30 value, the gap is decreasing. 105 is the gap, right? Which means my minimum value can conflict within themselves, right? Since my minimum values can conflict within themselves, it is 45 over here and 135 over here. The gap is what? The gap is 90. So if I am taking 45 here and consecutive and simply I am taking 135 over here, this value will be greater than this. But in other cases, this value is greater. So there are two possible cases. My answer is going to be 0, right? I hope it is clear कि अगर मैं 135 लेता हूँ तो यहाँ से 45 लूंगा तो वो 90 इंक्रीज करेगा और यहाँ पे गैप सिर्फ 68 का है तो इट कैन बी पॉसिबल. Okay, now last, which of the following can be population of central wing? Now central wing is this one. Central wing is 531 plus 246 plus this. I have the likes of around 600, which means I need to go around 75, 78. So if I'm taking this 75, 531 plus 75, it is 606, and I take it as 2, it will become 608 minimum. And not 607 is possible, not 609 is possible, not 606 is possible. So this completes my set. I hope you have liked the explanation. If you did, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. And as mentioned, our new batch is starting soon. You can enroll by visiting our website. Thank you so much. Have a great day.